Hi, I'm Norman from Get Set Up. How would you like to have the ability to ask by voice what the weather is, to play music, to get the news, to play a podcast? Well, now you don't even need to go to your computer to do these things because with the arrival of virtual assistants such as Amazon Alexa, you can now use your voice to issue all of these requests and more. In this class, we're going to talk about how Amazon Alexa and the devices that use Alexa can be used in so many different ways to enhance your life. We're also going to talk about how to talk to these devices so that they respond in the way you expect them to. It's not the same as talking to a person, obviously. I think you'll find, as I have found, that having one of these devices can be a wonderful way to just use your voice to do so many different things, to get answers to common questions, and to do things that you don't have to go to a keyboard or use a mouse. You just use your voice. And even better, these devices will cost a lot less than a computer or a expensive cell phone. So join us and learn how Amazon Alexa may actually end up being your new best friend, believe it or not. I hope you can join us. Thank you.